Hi my dear friends, this is Dr. Raj Mohammed. Welcome to Smart Learners. In this video, I am going to explain about CAS, Career Advancement Scheme for College Teachers. Those who were joined as assistant professor, so they need to understand the career advancement scheme because career advancement scheme is very important for our career. So we have three categories. One is assistant professor, associate professor and professor category. In assistant professor category, we have two categories. One is senior scale and another one is selection grade. So firstly, I am going to explain about senior scale category. Those who were joined with PhD or without PhD or with only net set with post graduation, so you need to fulfill these criteria. Number one, those who were joined with PhD, so they have to complete 4 years of service, so they have to complete one RC and one OC. It means one refresh course and one orientation courses are necessary for next category. It means academic level 10 to 11 category. So simply we can understand 6000 AGP to 7000 AGP. So in this category you need to fulfill all the eligibility criteria. If you don't have PhD, if you have only post graduation with MPhil, so you have to complete 5 years of service, so you are eligible for CAS, and you have to complete one OC, one RC. It means one OC and one RC is very important. Without RC and OC, you won't consider for CAS criteria. And if you don't have MPhil and PhD, so you have to wait up to more than 6 years of service, and you have to complete one RC, one OC. So the promotion criteria is screening cum evaluation committee, and each and every category you have to fulfill the minimum API score also. Not only in this category, each and every category minimum API score is necessary. Okay, so if you have completed one OC other than refresh course, so you need to fulfill any two of the following: either workshop or syllabus upgradation, or workshop training, or teaching learning evaluation, or technological programs, or faculty development programs at least 1 week or 5 days duration. It means 5 days duration programs are equal to 2 programs are equal to 1 course. So this is also eligible for CAS. And another one is, or if you completed one MOOCs course with e-certificate, it is also considered for CAS. Or development of e-content in 4 quadrants or MOOCs courses during the assessment period is also considered for CAS. It means you have to complete any of these criteria. Okay, and assistant professor selection grade, it means academic level 11 to 12th. It means 7000 AGP to 8000 AGP. These are the main criteria. The minimum eligibility criteria is you have to complete 5 years of service in academic level 11. It means senior scale. It means you have to complete 5 years service in senior scale, and you have to complete the courses and programs in this category, any of the two following. It means 10 days programs need 2 courses, either refresh course or research methodology course, or workshops or syllabus upgradation workshop, or teaching learning evaluation, or technological programs or faculty development programs, or syllabus upgradation workshops, or technological programs or faculty development programs. It means these courses are necessary for CAS, or two 5 days programs. Two 5 days programs or courses are also eligible for CAS, or any one MOOCs course in the relevant subject with e-certification is also eligible for CAS, or development of e-content in 4 quadrant or at least 1 quadrant, minimum 10 modules of a course, or contribution towards development of at least 10 modules of MOOCs course, or contribution towards conducting of one MOOCs course. This is also eligible for academic level 11 to 12. It means you are eligible for CAS. So any of these courses you have to produce before the selection committee. The promotion criteria is screening cum evaluation. Screening cum evaluation committee decided by the CAS. And another important category is from assistant professors selection grade to associate professor. It means academic level 12 to 13A. It means 8000 AGP to 9000 AGP. In this category, you have to fulfill the minimum eligibility. You have to complete the 3 years of service in academic level 12, or in it means selection grade period. Or PhD is also must for associate professor category. And you need to complete the any one of refresh course, or methodology workshop, or syllabus upgradation workshop, or teaching learning evaluation, or technological programs, or faculty development programs at least 2 weeks, not less than 10 days. Or you have to complete 2 courses of at least 1 week. It means 5 days programs also completed, but you need 2 courses, or 1 MOOCs course completed with e-certification is also equal for 1 refresh course, or contribution towards development of e-content in 4 quadrant, at least 1 quadrant, minimum 10 modules of a course, or 10 modules of a MOOCs course, or conduct a MOOCs course during the assessment period. So if you have these courses also, so you are eligible for associate professor. But the promotion criteria is selection committee. Selection committee decided by your promotion. Okay, so the last category is associate professor to professor category. It means academic level 13A to 14. It means 9000 AGP to 10,000 AGP. In this category, you have to complete the minimum eligibility. The minimum eligibility service is 3 years in academic level 13A, and satisfactory good annual performance assessment reports also produced during the selection committee, in front of selection committee. And you need to complete the PhD. That means PhD is must for professor category, and you have to publish 10 publications in peer reviewed journals or UGC listed journals. Out of 10, 3 papers in assessment period. It means you have to publish 3 papers in within the 3 years. And also you need 110 minimum research score for professor category. So the selection promotion criteria is selection committee. Okay, I hope each and everybody understanding in a simple manner. So please kindly subscribe my channel and share it and like it and subscribe it for more videos. Thank you one and all.